Today we're going to go over how to copy a live company over into a test company so that you can use the test company for any kind of training, or if you needed to test something out and you don't want to mess with your live data or add information to your live data. So where we're going to start is we're going to start with Library Master and then Company Maintenance, which I've already clicked on. And here you can see we come up with the company. Now you're coming up with the company code with the company that you're in. But under the company code, you're going to type in what you want your test code to be. And I use TST because this makes sense with test. And then the company name is going to be Test Company from Live Data. And you can make that whatever you want to make that. I just do this so that we have a description of what we're using. Now from here, you're going to want to click Accept, and that saves that company code in our file. So then you're going, after you click Accept, you're going to go back into that company code, TST, and we're going to click on the Copy button over here. And you get this warning: copying individual modules that are integrated with other modules may cause unexpected results. And we're just going to click OK to this. Now, this is the very important part. When you go to copy data, this source company is your live company. And I'm going to put PMZ in, but you want to make sure that you have live data in the top one and your destination company is what company you are copying to. This is very important because if you do not have this correct, you risk overwriting your live company with other data. So your source company is always where you're sourcing the data from. Destination is where you're putting it into. And as you can see, when I typed in PMZ, it comes up with all of its modules and the data from those. And then I'm just going to hit Proceed. And it will come up and ask, do you want to copy all data files to the selected company? I'm going to say yes. And this runs that process. And depending on how much data you have, depends on how long this process will run. Shouldn't run too terribly long. We're already moving through the different modules. And we are done. And when it is done, you can see down here, it says activated modules, and you'll be able to see all of the data levels. We're going to click Accept. And then you can switch your company to your test company. And then this is where you could go in, you could create new customers. You can run through any production management. You can do anything in here, and therefore it does not affect any of your live data. This is where you can do things in inventory. You could do a physical count for testing. You could use your mobility options here and with your different bins, and it doesn't affect your live data. And that is copying a live company into a test environment. Thank you.